If you are looking for best astrology apps, you are probably comparing more than generic daily astrology content. You want depth, personality, and something you will actually come back to. A strong astrology app is not just a placement summary. It should feel personal, repeatable, and useful in daily life, not like another feed you scroll past once and forget. That is what makes Zodiac.fm stand out in this category. It starts with your birth information, maps your chart, and turns the result into a personalized astrology-inspired listening ritual. Instead of stopping at interpretation alone, Zodiac.fm says it calculates from more than 248 celestial data points, then guides you from chart mapping into listening. The experience is organized into 4 frequency categories: core, love, vitality, and abundance. That gives you a clearer reason to return, whether you want focus, calm, reflection, or flow. So if your best astrology apps shortlist needs at least one option that goes beyond horoscope content and static chart reading, Zodiac.fm is worth trying. Start with the free 5-day trial, and annual plans mention an 84-day refund window.